Do you want to add SVG files to your WordPress site? By default, WordPress allows you to upload almost all popular image, audio, and video file formats. However, SVG is not among them. That's because there are potential security concerns with the image format, but there are safe ways to use them. In this video, we will show you how to easily and safely add SVG in WordPress. So let's start the video. To do this, you will need the WP Toolkit plugin. You can download the plugin from WordPress.org and also from the link which is given in our video description. If you download from our link, this will give you some added benefits, such as you will get discount code on our Pro plugins and will know details about our products. Once the download is complete, install and activate the plugin. Now find here WP Toolkit option. Hover your mouse here. Click on the Features option. It will take you to this page. Here you will see numerous options. Don't worry, this is a multifunctional plugin. For example, it has various options including maximum upload size increase, Favicon upload, SVG image support, upload custom avatar, username change, post/page duplicate, WP admin login URL change, passwordless temporary login, user switching, and spotlight search. Anyway, today we will see how to add SVG image files in WordPress. Find the SVG image support option and turn it on. Not only SVG image support, you also get some other options like ICO image support, WebP image support, and a VIF image support. If you need to upload these files, then you can turn on these options. After enabling the required options, click on the Save button. Now go to Media. Click on Add New. Upload an SVG file from your computer. See, your SVG file has been uploaded. This way you can easily add SVG image files in WordPress site without any hassle. And as I said earlier, this is a multifunctional plugin. So there are separate videos for each feature of our plugin. Link in the description, check it out. You can also check our other plugins. We have several WordPress plugins. The most popular plugins are Top Table of Contents and WP Mobile Bottom Menu. Check out the link in the description. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding this issue, feel free to ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.